is Ananta. I am from BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata. Today we are going to make spring egg wrap.
So here are the following ingredients. We have made the dough with flour, water, oil and salt. We have some vegetables like bell peppers, cucumber, onion, red cabbage, beetroot and some eggs. So we'll start. First we have to roll the dough. Now we'll put some oil. We'll put the flatbread here. Let it cook for some time. Flip it. Now when you see the colors, then you have to pick it up and put it here. Now we are going to saute the vegetables. Now we'll put some red cabbage. Little of beetroot, some red cabbage, little of beetroot, Now we'll apply some mayonnaise. Now it is done. Now spread some mayonnaise. Not much. to put those vegetables little bit, not much, no, don't put the full thing. These are some fried egg strips. We are going to put the fried egg strips. Some mustard dip, and then we are going to roll it. Wraps available outside in the street, but this is very different from what we get outside. It is more nutritious, though it is a fast food, but it is very different and it's very wonderful.
Our dish is ready. Now you will prepare at your home and let us know how you like it.